Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Ton Wallet for staking. Launch the Tonkeeper application on your device. Make sure you have sufficient balance of Ton coins in your wallet to participate in staking. Look for the section labeled Staking in the application and click on it. You will typically see a list of available validators for staking. Choose a validator based on factors such as commission rate, performance, and reputation. After selecting a validator, review the staking details including the amount and the selected validator. Confirm the transaction to complete the staking process. If you decide to unstake your coin, navigate back to the staking section. Select a validator and choose the option to unstake or withdraw. Follow the prompts to confirm the unstaking process. By following these steps, you can effectively use Ton Wallet for staking, allowing you to earn rewards on your Ton coins. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.